Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, in the last video we have learnt about the lesson A New Life on a Farm. Do you remember what is a farm? A farm is a place where animals are kept. And who take care of after them? A farmer. So it was the story of Mr. Rao and his farm. What was the season mentioned there in the story? It was winter season, and the farmer was very excited because in the winter season many animals give birth to young ones, and we have already learned that different animals young ones are given different names. For example, what do you call the baby of a cow? Calf. Baby of a pig? Piglet. Who is a chick? It is a baby of hen. And baby of cat is a kitten. And we have also learned that different animals are kept in different houses, and their houses are given a different name. So a hen lives in a coop, a cow lives in a shed, a dog lives in a kennel. So today in this video we will learn the different sounds of the animals and what is the name given to that sound. So first one is horse. What is the sound of horse? It is called knee. Next one is cat. What is the sound of cat called? Meow. Next one is pig. It is called oink. So what do you call the sound of a lion? It is called roar. A cow, moose. An elephant, trumpet. A donkey, brace. A dog, barf. A duck, quack. Birds, chirp. Goat, bleat. Owl, hoot. Frog, croak. And a snake, hiss. So these are the different names of the sounds given to different sounds made by different animals. Let's revise it again. A dog barks, a lion roars, a hen clucks, a duck quacks, a frog croaks, a sheep bleats, cat meows, horse neigh, cow moos, owl hoot, pig grunts, and a snake hiss. Now we will learn one more topic. We can make many words from a single word. Means we can make a bigger word a big word into a small word. For example, what is the word here? Mango. From the word mango, from the spelling of mango, we can make 5 different words. First one is man. Next is an, go, on, no. But you can't make ma, mn, ng because they don't make any sense. A word means it should have some sense, कुछ मीनिंग रहना उसकी. For example, man means आदमी को man बोलते. An is a article we use before vowel sounds. Go means जाओ. On ऊपर. No नहीं. Understood? Let's see another example. Let's take the word teacher. From teacher you can make many words. For example, tea, her, at, he, eat, cat, hat, car, cart, ear, tear, here and here. Your today's homework is you have to take any word of your choice and write many words from that word. Means from a big word you have to make little words. In the activity book, page number 6, you have one activity, little from big, and on page number 7 you have another activity, animals and their sound. Complete it and send it to me. Allah Hafiz.